What then have you guys observed about how COVID has or COVID's impact on what was already a challenging area?
Yeah, it's interesting. Maybe go back a little bit for that. I think if somebody is offered a bribe, let's say, and is offered a bribe or a chance to do something, or maybe misappropriate some assets or something, they will ask themselves three questions. And I think this will tie back in to the COVID situation. They'll typically ask themselves, "Is it more than my job's worth?" If they're offered a bribe to do something, is this I'm going to go I can move country, I can start a new life, I can actually sort something out. So is it more than my job's worth? The second one is typically will I get caught? So there's a this is the this is along the same lines as parking a car illegally or speeding or doing other things. It's the question of will you get caught within this structure? And the third one is it right or wrong? And typically, with people we see, they'll say it will become a situational decision. They'll say, because X, Y, and Z was happening, I did this. And so you'll see this concept of situational ethical decision making.